Prepositional pronouns in Polish, Part 3. Now consider this simple sentence with another form of the pronoun ona. Mam dla niej prezent. I have a gift for her. Even though dla niej form looks different from the jej form in the previous video, they are actually both genitive forms of the pronoun ona. Once again, making sense of this topic should be much easier if you consult this rather extensive pronoun chart. Some pronouns have 2 or 3 forms for a single grammatical case, while jej could be considered the default genitive form. Niej is an alternative form only used after prepositions such as dla in the above example. And why is that? There is just something about prepositions that makes them force third-person pronouns on, ona, oni, one to assume forms starting with n. For your convenience, all these n forms have been marked orange in the table at the beginning of the video. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.